Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Windows 10 for noise-free voice recording or voice over without studio microphone or USB microphone. A bit of disclaimer before we get started. This setup is not going to be like a professional voice recording or voice over setup, but good enough to get you started. The system requirement is basically you need to have Windows 10. I'm not sure whether it's going to work on Windows 7, 8, 8.1. So the other thing you need to have are you need to have a standard microphone like headset with microphone. If you do not have this one, perfectly fine. I assume everybody has this wired headset. That's what I'm using. So this Samsung wired headset. And if you have this one, you need a splitter. So why splitter? Headset splitter. So what I do, I just insert this part into here and then I use these two jacks, and I have a desktop. I just insert them in the standard way like this one here. Where is it? Like this, and I'm ready to go. So these are system requirements. You also need to have this Realtek driver installed, which is high definition audio driver. If you do not have, go to realtek.com and then click here and then go to downloads, computer peripheral ICs, and just wait for it. Okay, here we are. Then you have to click this second option here. Once you are here, scroll down and download the 32-bit if your system is 32-bit, otherwise 64-bit. So just click this download button here, let it be downloaded, install it, restart your computer. So once you have this Realtek downloaded and installed on your system, make sure you've got your microphone up. So if you're using a standard microphone, that's perfectly fine. If you do not have, you can use your smartphone wired headset, and you can purchase this splitter. I will leave the link in the description. Otherwise you can get it somewhere from the local market. This is pretty simple. You can just take a picture and go to the local shop and you can ask for it. So it's very cheap and you can get it from online and offline as well. So now you can see I'm using this Samsung wired headset, and I'm going to show you how you can set up things for your voice recording on Microsoft Windows 10. So once you have this driver up and your microphone plugged in, what you need to do, simply go ahead and click on the start menu and then type sound settings, and this will take you to the sound settings, and then you can say sound control panel. Look for here on the right and hit on it. Now here, go to recordings and then just double click on this active microphone. Double click on it. Now you can see I've got these 5 tabs here, so make sure you've got 5 tabs. If you do not have 5 tabs, that means you are using a USB headset or microphone, or you have not installed the Realtek driver. So restart your computer after installing the Realtek driver, then you will see this enhancement tabs. So this will help us reduce the noise, basically just cancel all the noises within just a meter or two. Then you have to come here to the level and make sure your microphone level is 100. Okay, and you also want to boost the microphone. So You can see it here. If I go here, my voice will be a little slower. If I come here, it's going to be way louder, but I keep it here. That will make sure that there is no any noise coming in, or it's catching any noise. So that's the basically setup, and this is how you can get started with recording, like voice recording or voice over, without the USB microphone or headphone or any like costly setup. This is good to get started, but my recommendation will be, like, once you have like money, you should definitely set up your voice recordings system setup, and perhaps you want to buy a better microphone. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.